Hello, Adele Bates here, Behaviour and Education Specialist, keynote speaker and author of Miss I Don't Give a Shit, Engaging with Challenging Behaviour in Schools. So this week's topic is a little bit odd for me. It's not very often I talk about this subject, and hands up, that's because it's not my zone of genius and it does scare me a little bit. But I also know the power of it for behaviour in our schools. So I have just got off a meeting with a school that I'm working with a few times this year, and I am so impressed with this school because they have a fantastic practice of using their data. Now, unfortunately, a lot of the time I see data being used in schools to make pretty diagrams and to stress a lot of teachers out to try and get that data in. And what this school does is something that I advocate a lot, particularly when you're looking around behaviour patterns and biases that our system may have or needs that particular groups of children might have. So, for example, this school has managed to, through their data, they looked at their behaviour points or equivalent between the start of the year and now. And they realised it was a particular year group who were getting a really high percentage of the behaviour points. So already they now have a focus for their strategy. And then from that, they realised there was a certain set of kids, I think it was around 30, who were getting the most. So again, honing in, which just makes so much sense when you are then putting in interventions for behaviour. It's not necessarily the whole school that needs to be told the rules again or something like that, but it's a targeted group of young people who might not be having their needs met, who might need more support, who might need more help with remembering boundaries, whatever it is. Where can you use your data to help you with behaviour? If you want support with that, let me know. Thanks.